changing the oil and filter on this Yale fork truck with the Perkins 203 engine. We just need to let all the oil out, so we're going to unscrew the sump plug.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yes.
Now we're removing the oil filter. I've slackened it off with this oil filter strap, and now I'm just going to remove it with my hand.
There we go.
We've finished draining the oil and we've took off the filter. We've got a new filter and we're reusing the copper washer, and we've put some PTFE tape on it. I'm just going to put it back in.
There we go. Done.
Now we're putting the oil filter on, and we put oil on the seal so it fits in easier.
There we go.
Now I'm going to tighten it up with the strap. Now we're putting the new oil in. We've put just over 5 litres of oil in it, and now we're just going to start it and dip the oil. And it's almost maximum, so that's good.